All right, everybody, here we go. The German Lanz Bulldog. Here you go, 1943. Tells you everything about it. Let's check it out. Look at this thing. My gosh. We're going Germany here. There's a steering wheel to crank it. And then they would use that as their actual steering wheel. Jeez, the Germans even made a convertible out of this. Look at this. It is awesome. Right in the middle of the war, Germany's still building extravagant stuff. There you go, everybody. Here's the Lanz Bulldog, 1943. All right, hit that subscribe button. See ya.